Hey, Mark Hewson here with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus. It's time for our Funday Monday drawing. As a reminder, this month's question was the chocolate river in the movie Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory was really made out of what? Choices were A, brown paint, B, water and clay, C, chocolate, and D, root beer. And of course the correct answer was C, chocolate. So I appreciate everybody that gave us the correct answer. I've got your name in the box. You can see we've got quite a few names in there. Before I do the drawing, I just wanted to remind you of a couple of things. A, when you work with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus to help you market your house, not only do you get our excellent marketing skills, you get free drone videos and drone pics. We've been doing virtual videos now of homes before it was popular with the quarantine, so we'll give you a free virtual video tour. And we also give you a custom URL and a custom web page for your website, things that you can do to share with your friends and family. So keep us in mind if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell a house. We'd love your referrals. We'd love to help them out. Let's see who this month's winner is. I'm going to reach in the box and pull out a name. And the name this month is, I'm not even going to look at it. Oops, upside down. Kevin Stevenson. Kevin Stevenson. Kevin, let me know if you want the $25 Amazon gift card or the $50 Restaurant.com card. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Be watching for our next Funday Monday contest. The questions will go out next Monday, the first Monday of February, and we'll do the drawing again at the end of the month. Take care. Keep us in mind if you know of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Talk to you soon.